Getting closer to midnight, I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from me.
Hey guys, it's Leah and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video because I have been ordering a ridiculous amount of hair care products here recently. I'm aware that I have a problem, but I also don't want any help. So let's see what I'm unboxing today. I am unboxing these beautiful honey handmade products. This is the Melba's Kitchen Collection Part 2. And then she always puts a tribute to her mom on the back of the box, which I think is oh so sweet. And this is what the top of the box looks like. Now this collection comes with 10 full-size products, and I think it retailed at $65. This is the goodies that are in the box. And I lost the card. And all of these items do come with a seal around them. I just went ahead and took all of them off the top just so I didn't have to open them through the video. And then she gives you this cute little card. On the back of it, it has a recipe for the wash day. And then she also gives you like an actual recipe on here. She gives you a recipe for like mixed grains, which I think is really interesting because I love grains. And I love mustard and collard greens, so I don't really eat turnips like that. And this is just a thank you card. So let's go ahead and get into what's in this box. So the first product that I'm looking at is Melba's Sweet Potato and Turmeric Healthy Scalp Hair Mask. It says how to use. After cleansing your hair, you comb through your hair with a wide tooth comb, parting it into 4 sections preferably. Apply 1 spoonful of the mask into each section. You're supposed to leave this in for 15 to 20 minutes. See how it smells. Ooh! This is like a really bright color. That's interesting. Look at that color. It has kind of a looser consistency to it. And it smells really good. It smells just like sweet potatoes. You can't really even get the turmeric smell in there. And the next product we have is the Melba's Hair Stuffing Decadent Daily Moisturizer. Let's see what this smells like. This smells sweet. It kind of smells like cinnamons. How to use it is on dry parched hair. It adds daily moisture and nourishment from scalp to end. It should melt into your coils, keeping your hair soft and supple days at a time. She sold that very well. This one's like really loose. I'm gonna let you see it jiggle. I'm losing product. You can't waste good product now. I might put a little of this in my hair just so it don't waste none. No product left behind. Okay, there are 10 products in here. So, product number 3. The Melba's Butter Pecan Curl Defining Hair Butter. I'm really excited about this one because I like pecan pie and I just know that this is what this is going to smell like. So on this how to use, it's part your hair into sections, apply to wet or damp hair, making sure you work through from root to tips. It can be used for twist outs, braid outs, or it can be used to coat your wash and go styling regimen. Apply more as desired. So this is kind of like pretty much a triple threat, I guess you could say. And that's what it smells like. Some delicious pecan pie. And this one's thicker than the other one, substantially thicker. It's like not even moving. It's real thick. It's kind of, it's a good consistency, I'd say. It's the normal consistency of a butter, maybe a little bit looser than the butters that I'm used to, but I can dig it. Okay, this one is Melba's Omega-3 and Fatty Acid Shaft Deep Penetrating Hair Mask. This one has kind of a clean scent to it, and it's pretty much the same consistency of that first deep conditioner, so it's just white. After cleansing your hair, you comb through with a wide tooth comb, part into 4 sections preferably, 1 spoonful of the mask to each section. This will ensure your portion is evenly coated in each section of your hair. Style as desired. Let sit for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse out with warm water. All of the ingredients on this list I will put somewhere on the screen, maybe up here, maybe right here, maybe down there, maybe up there. I don't know, whatever I think looks the best, just so y'all can get a general idea. But most of these don't have that many ingredients on it. I'm just gonna give you like an idea. Like, as you can see at the bottom of this, it really doesn't have that many ingredients listed on it. Okay. This is the coconut and apple curl glaze. I can honestly smell this as soon as I took this little clear plastic paper off from around it. That's how strong it was. I already know what this smells like. We're gonna smell it again. If you've ever had like a Macintosh apple candle, literally exactly what this smells like. Like I've made a Macintosh candle apple, so I know, like literally. And it's like got the jiggle going. And how you use this product, it says usage. Style your hair with hair glaze after washing your hair. After your shower, towel dry your hair, leaving it slightly damp so your glaze holds longer and better. Work the glaze through your hair evenly and watch the curls start clumping. So this was a product that you would probably use for like a wash and go, or if you wanted like a super define or braid out or a twist out. So stay tuned, because I'm going to use this for a wash and go. We walk around here smelling like fruit. Our next product is Melba Sweet Pea and Berlina. I really don't know how to pronounce that word, but it's a low poo conditioning co-wash cleanser. Ooh, it smells sweet but also clean at the same time. You're supposed to separate your coils and apply ample amount to section hair. Massage into hair while cleaning with H2O and rinse with lukewarm H2O. This thing literally has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ingredients listed. That's it. And it's a pretty straightforward consistency. I'm not gonna squeeze any in my hand because then I'm gonna waste it. Got 4 more products left. The next one is one of the ones that I'm like super excited about because it's so weird, but I'm so interested. So it's Melba's Detoxifying Buttermilk Stone Grit Scalp Scrub. Yes, I said that right. A grit scalp scrub. Ooh, right. Okay, so how you use this is you'll want to apply the scrub before using your shampoo and conditioner, so it kind of would be like a pre-poo situation. Gently massage the exfoliating scrub onto your scalp, rinse it out completely, and follow the rest of your wash day routine. So there's actually like this little spoon in here that came with it. Is that not just the like cutest little thing? But this is how it looks. It's literally just like grits. It's like loose grits. Like just imagine like sea salt or something. Alright, next one is Melba's Light Beer and Ale Honey Lather Hand Poured Poo Bar. This doesn't really have any instructions on how to use it because it's just like literally a shampoo bar. I guess you could say this smells like ale. Like I really can't describe how this one smells for you. What do you think that smells like? It smells like this. This next one, I really don't know what it says. It says creamy corn silk hair serum. That's what it is. Okay. Cannot read the instructions because as you can see, it like got a little wonky. But the craziest part about this is like I was gonna contact them about it, but I look at the thing, it's like full. It's like literally like right there. Like literally, it's like right there. So I'm not sure how that leaked out or how it got like this, but it is what it is. And last but not least, we have Melba's Lemonade and Cucumber Curl Revival Mist Refresher. I love me a good refresher spray because I am a lazy natural. I claim it. I own it. That's just how it is. That's just what it is. Because I'm always so busy, but I know I need to take better care of my hair. But this is always like a quick fix for me to moisturize my hair on a day I need to just go take some out and I'll be on my way. Literally. This doesn't even have directions because it's like straightforward. Like spray this on your hair, be great, be happy. I wouldn't say this smells like cucumbers though. It kind of smells like lemons and greens, like how collard greens smell when they're cooking, which is weird because it's lemon and cucumber. It smells fresh. But that is it. These are the final contents of my box. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in. There will be a full wash day using these products. Very, very excited about that, so stay tuned. I'm not sure if these boxes are still for sale, but I know last year the products that a lot of people wanted to come back, you did get a chance to buy them because she did start selling some of them individually. One more look at everything. This is what we got. This is what we're working with. I'm so happy about these products. Alright. That is all for today, guys. I told you it's going to be simple and sweet. It's just a simple unboxing video. So, have you tried Honey's Handmade products? Leave that in the comment section for me because I've tried them and I love them. And then the greatest part about this company also is that it is, you guessed it, black owned. All of 2020 buying from black owned companies because that's what you gotta do. You gotta support your people. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.